Hello, this is John of Art and we are here at Intramuros, the walled city of Manila. We are here at Casa Manila Museum, one of the tourist attractions here in Intramuros, the walled city of Manila. You can even rent a bike here to roam around the city. And look at the original stone pavements here. This is an old house here in Intramuros, and it is said that this is one of the houses of the rich and famous of Manila. There are souvenir shops and a very nice fountain. The center feels like really you're in old Manila. It's very charming. This is the kubing. I've been looking for this everywhere, so now I'll buy this right here in this souvenir shop. Sir, good afternoon po. May we ask po, where's the Fort Santiago? Where can we find it?
Sa dulo mo.
Nasa dulo, dito at the end of the street. Okay, so that's where Fort Santiago is, where Jose Rizal was imprisoned. So we go there. Thank you po. You're dressed up as the Guardia Civil in the old times. Wow. This is the Manila Cathedral, one of the most beautiful churches right here in Manila. Let's see what's inside. This is the Manila Cathedral. The door is so massive and ornate, but it looks like the artworks are modern. We are inside the Manila Cathedral. It's big and it's so solemn here. I am witnessing the replica of La Pieta, which is originally at the St. Peter's Basilica in the Vatican City, and the replica is right here. It's just amazing just to be in here with this work of art. It's just so amazing to bask in this glorious piece of art. We are walking past the Palacio de Gobernador, Governor's Palace. A friend of mine rode one of these horse carriages and was charged 3,600 pesos for 2 hours, right? 3,600 for 2 hours. Not anymore. No more. There we go to Fort Santiago, right here. Fort Santiago, where Jose Rizal, our national hero, was imprisoned. It's open 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. But exiting Intramuros to the gate.
Salamat.
We are taking the UV Express van to MOA, and we're going to catch the sunset of Manila Bay. Through this, it's quite hard to get a vehicle. Manila Bay! Trying to catch the Manila Bay Sunset, very famous for its most beautiful sunset because it plunges straight down into the sea. That's the famous Manila Bay Sunset. They used to have a fish kill here where all the fishes got killed, and I don't know, for some reason they got killed, so they were all washed ashore. And it stunk. It was really stinking so bad. So it was in the news some years ago. Massage. You have your massage done. That over there is Star City. That's the Manila Yacht Club. And beyond those, beyond the green, is MOA, SM MOA. Over there. Very peaceful sunset now. This is Joan of Art here at Manila Bay. Until our next video, bye for now.